Hi, it's Paolo from the Career Center, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the assessments function using Career Coach. So the first step is going to our Coastline website. Go to coastline.edu, and then scroll down, look for the button that says Career Coach. Click on this arrow. So click on Take the Assessment. At this part, it's going to ask you to do the 6 question or the 60 questions. I highly recommend you use the 60 question because it's going to be much more accurate. So take a few minutes to complete this. So when you complete the assessment, it will tell you your top 3 traits based on how you answered the questions. And from here, you could save your results. You can download your full results and bring that PDF maybe to your counselor or to myself, and we can go further if you have more questions. And when you scroll down, it will give you different types of careers that matches based on how you answer the questions. So, and this is just mine. Everyone's going to have different types of matches. So in my case, my top ones are education and training and human services. So I'm going to just click on human services, and it gives you even more options here. So I'm going to click on that first one. And again, it goes even further, different types of occupations. I'm going to click on this one. And it gives me information on median salary, how many annual job openings, and it also tells you what programs are available here at Coastline. So you could click on more information about that job, daily tasks. It tells you wages information. It tells you employment information. And there's even live job postings that has to do with what you chose. So I'm going to click on I'm going to scroll down and see what programs are available at Coastline. So maybe I'm interested in human services, getting a certificate of accomplishment. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on view program information. And now this will lead me back to the Coastline website. That's going to give me information of how to, what classes do I need to take to get Associates of Arts in human services, and also, or a certificate of accomplishment. So Career Coach is a great tool to explore around and see what's out there, and that matches it with programs here at Coastline. So my question to you is, what are your top 3 traits, and what are some careers that matched? Go ahead and comment that down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. See you next time.